Spirit Release Academy is a specialist organisation set up for people with unique skills to help train practitioners from around the world, either as a facilitator or a medium, in the clearance of negative energies from our clients. My name is Jonno Webster. I've worked spiritually for in excess of 20 years, and I specialise in psychic surgery and spirit release therapy with my master guide Whitehawk and his spiritual team.
So my name is Andy Porter, and I'm a psychic surgeon, also co-founder of the Spirit Release Academy with Jonno Webster. So Spirit Release Academy are a spiritual academy that myself and Jonno set up on the back of working alongside the eminent Dr. Terence Palmer, PhD, who kind of worked with myself and my spirit guide Chen for over 10 years from 2011, developing what we term now as our unique method of spirit release or remote spirit release therapy. Over the course of 10 years, whilst we developed this protocol, we actually recorded 1,000 cases and documented them. And from that 1,000 cases, we saw efficacy of 80%. 80% of the people that actually were worked on as clients using this protocol felt better and positive results. And remember that we're working in quite a fringe area. Most of the clients that we work with are extreme cases. People that are hearing voices, having intrusive thoughts, people that are schizophrenic, people that are suicidal, self-harming. And it's part of our agenda really is to start to float this work into the mental health areas and explore how spirit guided remote spirit release that we teach can actually be helpful and can collaborate with the mental health profession.
Our main goal as a Spirit Release Academy is to enhance the work of practitioners from around the world. We currently have practitioners from Australia all the way through Europe, all the way through Malaysia, Canada and the Americas. Our students should expect the highest levels of training through the Spirit Release Academy. Myself and Andy have in excess of 40 years experience, so really all of this is combined with an openness, with an honesty, and we will take the practitioners, whether they come through as a facilitator or a medium, from day one, which is when they don't really know what's going to happen, they don't really know the protocol, they don't really know the work, but they feel drawn to it, to the very last day, and ongoing, where they feel confident and they have the ability to take this out into the world.
The next steps for someone that's interested in the work that we do is to visit our website, which is spiritreleaseacademy.com. All of the information that you need is on there.
Additional process is that they can go on to our courses and apply. We don't have a buy it now button, we have an application button. It has to be right for us, it has to be right for them, and they have to understand fully what it is they're undertaking. This is for people that want to make a difference throughout the world.